Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair headband wig for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW. By now I have reviewed tons of headband wigs and I have been genuinely in love with them ever since I tried them in July. So this one is definitely going to be different for me because this one is blonde and it's already curled, which is good because I do have my hot tool on hand just in case I need to kind of refresh the curls. But this is very beautiful. So it does have a dark root, which I was, I kept asking them, does it have a dark root? Because I just think having a dark root looks more natural, especially because I have dark edges. So this has this beautiful blonde in here, and then it goes into this brownish red color. So they did a good job with the color. You guys saw the structure of this wig and everything with the unboxing at the beginning of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the specs for you guys. This is a pre-colored wig, as you guys can see, and this is 20 inches long. They currently do have a coupon code for you guys to use at checkout, which is fall 20. And if you are interested in this wig, you're going to want to use that coupon code because this wig with my specs is $400. Very expensive, yes it is, but with these expensive wigs on my channel, somebody is buying them, guys. Somebody is buying them. So again, if that's out of your price range, that's fine. Just make sure you are watching the other affordable options that I feature on my channel. So, but use that coupon code fall20 at checkout to save $20. And if you get a shorter length, it's going to be less expensive, but I got 20 inches and this is what it is looking like. So before I get into it, I want to go ahead and gel my edges down. I just did my makeup, so I have to kind of clean my edges off before I put gel on them so the foundation doesn't mix with my edge control. All right, of course I say this in literally all of my headband wig videos. I am using the She Is Bomb edge control here. I picked mine up from Amazon and I will have it linked down below. And like I say in a lot of my headband videos, if you do suffer from hair loss, you can still do the headband wigs. You're just gonna have to pull the wig up further on your hairline. All right, so we're gonna put this on. Let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna wear mine with a wig grip today. And this is the Jex brand. If you are new to wigs, these help protect your edges and they keep your wig from sliding back. So they are good with the headband wigs as well. So the only comb I'm really securing is the one at the nape. So I am going to pin this up while I Velcro the back. So I'm going to slide this back just a little bit to show my edges. Now it looks super like thin right now because the curls look tight, but I am going to get a paddle brush and brush this out and see what we got going on. Even though I did like rake the curls out and it did give a bit more volume, I feel like it could be slightly thicker, especially like up here, but I could probably fluff it out more for more volume up here. It just looks a little bit flat. And I've mentioned this in other videos. I like volume. I don't like bulk. Bulk and volume are not the same thing. It just needs a little bit more. Oh, this is really pretty though. The color, very unique. I haven't tried a headband wig like this just yet. So I do like this color. To take some pictures, and then we're gonna get into trying on these headbands. I'm excited to see like how they look. So last year, before the headband wig trend popped off, I still used to buy headbands, but I bought this one last year, which is like the champagne silky gold situation with pearls on it. I bought this from Rainbow. Rainbow has some gems. I've said this several times in my videos, but they do. So I want to try it on with this wig, and of course I have some other headbands to try on with this wig. Okay, so this side over here is a little bit limp because it has been in the pack and I haven't done anything to it. So I mean, I can't be mad because those curls on this side look good. So I plugged up my Infinity Pro 2-in-1 curling iron. This is a flat iron and a curling iron, so it has a curved barrel here. I'll have a Amazon link down below if you are interested in purchasing one. Alright guys, so I am back. I have tried on different headbands and I just did like 3 styles: low pony, high pony. You can do half up, half down. I've showed that in different videos. Let's get into the pros and the cons of this wig. With the pros, I think they did a great job with this color. Very unique and different. I love the color of this blonde and this reddish brown here. I think it's very beautiful. And I do love the length of this on me. I'm 6 feet tall. This is how the 20 inches falls on me. And I like that it came curled already, so I didn't have to do that much. I just kind of reestablished this curl up here because it had a little bit of bend in it because it had been in a box for a while. And I'm wearing this fresh out the pack. Like, I didn't wash this beforehand. With my kinky curly headband wigs, I do prefer to wash them ahead of time, but with straight ones and ones that are pre-styled and stuff, I don't really do that. But it's up to you if you want to do that. So the structure of the wig, all of that kind of stuff, the structure, the cap construction feels great. I think, well, the cap did feel a little bit tight on my head. I have a bigger head. I have a 23-inch circumference head, so my head did feel a little bit tight. I like that it has dark roots, so it does look natural with my hair. If I'm gonna do blonde, I do need a dark root to start off with. That's what I think. As far as the cons go, as you guys know, RPGSHOW is expensive. If you see it in the title, you already know what the deal is. So this wig with my specs, as I told you guys, is $400. If you apply the coupon code fall20, it'll be like $380, which is still pretty expensive, but it's better than $400. I feel like with this wig being so expensive, I would expect more hair. I feel like it needs like one more bundle in it because, especially up here, I feel like it needs a bit more volume. Now, to some people, you don't want all that volume. You don't want that much hair. You like a lighter density because it looks natural. But for me, we're entering, well, by the time this goes up, it's probably already fall. This is already a look with a blonde, so I want it to be voluminous as well. After I raked it out, it did add more volume to it because you guys saw how flat it was right out the pack, but they pre-styled it and they wanted to keep the curls, so they didn't rake the curls out. So in my opinion, I do feel like it's a little bit on the thin side for my taste, and especially for the price point. So and I looked on their website, I didn't see where you could change the density, so I guess it's standard all around. Yeah, so that's my biggest con with this wig. I feel like it's a little bit too thin. Even with this beautiful color, it being pre-styled and everything, it's a little bit too thin for me. And that could be a preference thing. Maybe you like it that way, but I always review wigs from my perspective and what I like. So I showed you the pros and cons of this wig. Now it's up to you to decide if this is something that you want to purchase. If it is, I'll have direct links to where you can purchase it down below. Just check the description box and use that coupon code to save $20 at checkout with fall20. And if the coupon changes it'll be down there too. So shout out to RPGSHOW for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to my Premiere Squad for watching this with me. If you are new to my channel or you just follow me on YouTube, make sure to follow me on Instagram at ifancycupcakes. That's where I like update you guys on my wigs and stuff. And I do have a planner Instagram, which is called Hearts in the Plan, and a YouTube channel called Hearts in the Plan. I have planner content on there, and I do have a Like to Know It where I post pictures of home decor and my outfits and stuff, and you can shop directly on the Like to Know It app. You just have to download it. Follow me on Like to Know It. It is ifancycupcakes on there as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.